How to apply voucher or coupons in TikTok shop. So if you want to apply for voucher or coupons in TikTok shop, then first you just need to open up your TikTok shop. So open up your TikTok application. Now once you open, you need to simply go with your TikTok shop. So let's start. First things first, let's select a product that we can order. For example, you can simply choose any wired headset or any mic. Now for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, a coupon will be available depending on the specific product. Sometimes there will be an existing coupon that you have, so it will automatically appear with that coupon. Let's select the options, for example, for Type-C, for iOS, or for 3.5mm. You can simply choose the option and then tap on Buy Now, which is on the bottom of your screen. As now you can see, we currently have TikTok shop discount enabled. This is where you'll find your existing coupons apart from the discount from the seller, which we currently don't have. There's also a coupon from the TikTok shop itself. You'll find it under the TikTok shop discount. If you have a coupon, this is where you'll be able to select and apply it just like that. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.